If you are going to make a zigzag line, whether to use it as an object or as a pattern on a background, this video is for you. There are 3 ways you can use to create a zigzag line. The first one is quite simple. I'm going to grab the pen tool and keep clicking up and down to draw. I'll remove the fill color. You see the result is a bit messy, but don't worry, we can adjust it. Grab the node tool, select all nodes at the top, go to alignment, and select align middle. Next, select all nodes at the bottom, go to alignment, and again, select align middle. Now drag to select all, go to alignment once more, and click align space horizontally. And we've got a perfect zigzag line. Now let's remove this and let's move to the second way. We're going to use grid, so let's go to View and select Grid and Axis. In here, I'll click Show Grid. In basic mode, I'll change the spacing to 100 pixels, and for divisions, I'll change it to 1. Then I'll click Close. Make sure to turn on the snapping tool. Now I'll grab the pen tool and simply click here, then here, and I'll keep clicking until I think it's enough. And we've got a zigzag line. I'm going to remove this, and here's the third way. I'm still using the pen tool, and click here, and here, and here. Now I'm going to grab the Move tool, hold the Alt and Shift key, and drag it to duplicate. Make sure it snaps to the right position. After that, press Ctrl J a couple of times to duplicate. Now each one of these is still separated. To join them, select all, click the pen tool, and in the context toolbar, click Action, and select Join Curves. Now it's one zigzag line. Next, let's make a zigzag lines pattern. I'll move this up and change the stroke to 50 point. Then I'll drag it while holding Alt and Shift to duplicate. After that, I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate more, and we've got a zigzag pattern. I'm going to press Ctrl apostrophe to hide the grid. Then I'll press Ctrl A to select all and group them. Let's scale it up and move it to the center. I'm gonna give them a color or maybe a gradient. Now the zigzag pattern is done. So that's 3 ways to draw a zigzag line. Drop me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and good day.